Hello and welcome to Unpacked.
Galaxy Buds Pro. The most intelligent active noise cancellation. Let's listen.
Galaxy Buds Pro to feature two-way speakers, voice pickup unit, and 3 microphones to maximize call clarity.
Fit more securely for $199 starting January 15th. The Galaxy Find network that powers smart things find. Thanks to UWB and AR Finder, Galaxy Smart Tag Plus will help you locate your belongings.
I am so proud to introduce the Galaxy S21.
A smartphone that makes the everyday epic. A contour-cut design, portraits and selfies, 8K video snap, director's view. One UI 3 brings joy to your everyday. Both models can be yours on January 29th.
You better go, get it.
Introducing Galaxy S21 Ultra.
Gotta have it. You better go, get it.
Our goal is to help everyone take pro-quality photos and videos.
With its upgraded 108 megapixel image sensor. Innovative dual zoom combines mid-range 3 times optical zoom.
Most powerful processor, amazing display, and of course, our incredible pro-grade camera. Phantom Black is our boldest color yet. The first ever S-Series device compatible with the S Pen.
Open collaboration across an open platform is a core principle for us.
An Ultra device on January 29th for $11.99.
Through Android Auto, making it easier than ever to bring the power of your smartphone to your car. Digital car keys unlock a world of possibilities.
It's the best of the Samsung and Google collaboration.
Stay safe out there, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.
Epic experience. Favorite things?
Me.
Your life
Change.
Next level.